Good day, guys. Being here. So today we had this one. The goal is to achieve a family, a long-based family, which within the overall length, it will automatically place a certain number of seats with different length. But I tried, but I couldn't make it work. And also, I even tried Dynamo to even just give me the number of each seat, but I failed as well. But still, I want to just to talk about this family. I think we can still create a family with 3 different lengths, and then and we can at least more manually apply the number of each one, and then somehow we can achieve a certain number of a family with within that length. It's not fully automatic, and but it's a bit manual. But with the help of, I think we can probably just sorry, just one sec. Okay, sorry about that. So I think we can create a family, but the numbers of each seat we will have to do it manually. So let's start. So another reason I wanted to talk about this family is because in Revit 2025 we can assign 0 and 1 to an array. So that's I think this is very good, because we don't previously we have to when we have to model a separate family, for example, nested family. So in order to achieve array with 1 and also with 0, so of course we use visibility parameter. Okay, so let's start. So this is a line-based family. So, and also we need to create another family, so which will be nested into this family. So the other one, or we'll just use a generic model. So for this, so let's just do it very, very simple. All right. So I'll just create some reference plan, add some dimension, and maybe just we don't even need the depths. We just need the width. Okay, so width of this seat, and then let's call it W for type parameter. Okay, so I'll just create an extrusion onto these reference plans, and don't even worry about the height. Okay, so and go to family types. I'm going to create 3 different types. So click on this one. So type 1, for example, we what do we call this? Type 1. Maybe just type 1. Okay, so because the width can be different, so we can assign the different length even later. So now I'll just put 900 to it, apply, and create a new one, type 2, maybe just 1200, apply, and create another one, maybe type 3, right? So type 3 and 1500. Okay, so now we have 3 different type. Now load this one into the line-based family. So I'm just going to place it here. So this is the type 1. Okay, so now in this family we're going to place some first let's just move this one to the right a little bit. So the overall length will be need to be a bit longer, right? So now let's place some reference plan, RP for reference plan. So the first family, so we're going to place the type 1 family from this reference very beginning of this line-based family. So we're going to place onto this lock onto this reference plan, and we need to create another one. So this the second one will be the second family. So this type 1 family. Okay, so create a let's just drag this out. Create a dimension. So this will be the sorry, brain fog. This will be the width of, or the length of the first seed, right? So we actually we're going to call it X. So X, Y, Z. Okay, X, and it will be type. Okay, X, and then we're going to select this family. Oh, sorry, accidentally double clicked. Select this one and go to edit type, and then here, so the width, we're going to link this one to X. Okay, and then we're going to AL align. So this reference plane on this side, lock this reference plane and center. Okay, so lock. So now this is the first one. So I select it, AR. So I just place it roughly here, and then select this and go here, label, add parameter. So I'm going to use A. Okay, so A, B, and C, and it will be instance and OK, right? So now AL align again, so center, and also this one, so this reference plane and this and lock. So this is the first one, and also we need to let's have a look. If I type 3, yeah, so that's good. So if when you change the number, it places another one here. So you just need to select this one, select this array, and go here. Just either check or uncheck. So this will change how this array will be placed. So now this is the first one, and the second one we will need to get a parameter of the overall of the first one. So which is number, which A times X. Okay, so let's place another reference plane here, add a dimension here. So this needed to be X times A. Okay, so let's call it AX. So and it will be instance and OK. So go to family types. So we just need to in this AX on the formula, so it's type A times X.
I want to take my pants.
Okay, sorry, just one sec. Okay, sorry about that. So AX, yeah, times A times X. So this will automatically, so you can see 3 times X, get this one. So this is for the first of the family, the second seed. So now let's tab, select this one. So I'm just going to copy this one to here, and then go to family types, change it to type 2, and use AL, lock, and also lock. Okay, and then select it, AR, array. So I'll just place it here and finish it. Select this, select this, and then we can add another one. So this time, let's call it B. So this will be the number of the second seed. So, and also the same. So we need another reference plane here, do a dimension from here to here. So this will be the Y. Okay, so let's create, currently we don't have a parameter for this. So let's call it Y type parameter, and then go to select, let's select tab, select this family, edit type here, click on this, link to Y, and OK, and OK. So now AL and the lock, and then again lock. So, and then once again we need to add another reference plane, add the dimension. So this will be the by, okay, b times y. So let's create by instance and OK. So go to family types, by equals b times y. So click OK. So now we have this, and then this reference plane will be the last one. So let's tab, select CC, select it, type 3. Okay, so AL lock, and this and a lock. So now we select this one again, AR, and create array. Select this array, and go here, add parameter. So let's call this A, B, and C. So this time C instance and OK. So this time we don't need any more reference plans here because this will be the end of this family. AL, this, oh hang on, not this one, sorry. This is the end of this family. Let's move this away. And then we need another reference plan here, add a dimension here. So this will be the Z, okay? So let's create a parameter called Z and OK. And then tab, select this family, edit type, select this, and link the Z and OK. So now AL, this, lock, this, lock. So now we have this family with all the, family type 1, type 2, type 3. But currently, all this array number, which is this A, this B, and this C, all that are manual, right? So it's, we can stop here, but it means, so we need to manually type in all this number to achieve, but this is, we can't really do much, so we might have, too many, right? Like, and it's not possible to let Revit help you to determine what number we need. So let's make it slightly easier for us to to apply these 1A and B and C. So we can't really do much to A and to B. So but we can work out what C needs to be, because once we apply A and B, so what's left? What's left? The length it's known. So we just needed to add a parameter here, a formula here, sorry, to work out what C needs to be, right, to fit the overall length. So let's do it. Let me think. Okay, so it needs, let me just change the scale a little bit so you can see that, that's a bit better. So family types, so C equals, I think equals length minus, okay, so AX, right? So minus AX, we don't need that bracket, minus AX minus BY, and then what's left here? And then we just need to add bracket, oops, sorry, I pressed the wrong button, bracket and divide by this, right? Divide by Z. But still we need to run down. Okay, so we need to run down sometime, or because if we have like if this is more than 2.5, it will become 3. We don't want this to be longer than this. This will be the maximum, right? So it's equal or less than this. So we are going to add round down, okay, and add a bracket and bracket. So this will be it. So now apply and okay. So this time it means if we increase this one, so for example add this one to 4, so and then see here, so this is Revit 2025. When this array become 1, it's still, it won't break this array, it will automatically hide the second one, okay, or hide the second one. Now if we increase this a little bit more, and then you will see it becomes 0. So when it becomes 0, this array, so Revit will automatically hide both. Okay, so when we place this one into a project, so it will hide these altogether. So this is some change in 2025. So which is great. So I think I need to update all my family, joiner family now, because I think this will just reduce the complexity quite, so it's good. So okay, so but still we will have some issue, right? So if I increase this a little bit more and more, and then this becomes 0, so this will still break this one. So this is very easy actually to fix. So we just need to add a if condition. So I'll just copy this one, Control C. Okay, so if bracket, if this one smaller than 0, and then it's always 0. Otherwise, and use this number, so in bracket. So now this will make sure, so if this number is smaller than this, if this array number is smaller than 0, so it will always 0, it will be 0, so it won't be a negative which will break this family. So I think I think this is about it. Still, we can't really do much about this bay, because you can see if we have to roughly know the number, and then we can work out. So for example, for our type in 3, and it will automatically, and actually type in 3 and 4, it will automatically give us 1 extra seat, because it will fit the type C, right? So if I reduce this to 2, this becomes 3. 1, 2, 3 still fit. This become if I change this one to 3, it will place 2 here. Okay, so I think this is about it. Now let me just go create a project, and so I'll just create non-project, non-template using don't use any template. So load this one into this project. So a line-based family, so we can just place it just like draw a line, right? So for example, I'll just draw something like this. Okay, so you can see it will place the default the number. Okay, so and a little tip for you. So usually when we have a family, so you can see all these parameters here. So some of these parameters, they are not useful. They because we use formula for this one, so you can't really even change. And what's this Z, X, Y? That's it's the wrong one. So it should be a type parameter. So you can see, because I accidentally make it instance parameter, so it's being shown here. So what we need is we need these parameters to be here, so it's easier for us to adjust. So let's go back, and so first let me just change that's Z. I want to change this one to type. So the easiest option is just select the dimension and go untick this one to make it a type parameter. Otherwise, you can go edit, select, go to family types and select it, edit, and change it from here. Okay, so it will be easier to just go here and untick that box. And also, X, Y, Z, they are fine because they are type parameter. We need to change them in edit type, so it doesn't really matter. So they can stay here. But these two, we probably don't want them to be there because it's we can't really change them. So usually what I do is go select it and edit, and then I'll put them under. So just in other, so because always a little bit lower here, so usually I just use other, and also this one as well, edit and okay. And then we need these three, right? 1, 2, 3. And probably not C, not this one, because this is controlled by a formula. We can't change it. So we only have two options, so A and B. So let's edit here. I'll just type D, go to dimension, and okay. This if you don't want to use dimension, you can also use some other group, so like a constraint or construction. So it's up to you. Okay, so I usually just put them together here. So click OK. Now load this one into the project and overwrite. So now if I select this family, you'll see all these, they are here. So it's easier. It's on the top of these properties. And also let's just go edit type. So it looks like these numbers are just some random number when we create this family. So let's just change this one to 900, 1200, and 1500. So now 900, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So this is controlled by this. So if I want to increase the number of A this 901, so just type in 5, and then you will see it will also automatically, or maybe we can just put that here, so it's easier for us to how many of type C we have, or type 3 we have. So edit family, so go family types, go here. So although we can't change it, but it's I think it's better to have these numbers all together, right? So okay, overwrite. Now select it. So now we have all these number here. So 5, 3, 2. So now we know that we have 5, 900, 3, 1200, and 2, 1500. Okay. So let's for example, we'll change this a little bit, put in 4, so it will automatically reduce this one. So typing 4 will automatically increase the number of 3. So still it won't automatically find the best solution. Okay, so we still need some help from other source. So actually what I did is, I'll show you. So actually what I did is in ChatGPT, I just asked it how to achieve this, and I think it works. So for example, this one I ask how to achieve like 8400. So if I type in 8400, so and let me go back. So it told me that 024 is the best solution. So let's try 04. So actually, so you can see, because we already have 4, Revit automatically work out, we need 2 1500 one. So this gives us 8400. So this is the closest we can get to that. Okay, so 8400 is this right? Why there's a point here? 8400. Okay, yeah, I think that's yes, that's correct. So because we set the overall length 8400, but these are the result. So the maximum length we can get with these 3 type of seat, right? So, and I try again. So asked, so how about 13A00, 13A00, and then it told me that okay, we need 173. So that's easy enough. 17. So that's it. So you can see 1 automatically becomes 3, right? So for the C type C, sorry. And okay, so the last try again, 99999900, and again it told me that okay, 025. I'll just type 0, type 2, and that's it, 025, right? So, and yeah, and also I think that's it. And also it told me that asked too many questions. I need to ask it tomorrow. So this is it. Okay, so very simple exercise. Unfortunately, not fully automatic, but still, yeah, could be useful, right? So you can just put in a number, and it will just create this family for us. And also we talked about the array with the 2025 change to the array, which is very, very good as well. So that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, so this family is just an example of these arrays, and also how these can work. I don't think you need this one, right? So okay, so yep, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.